This demo showcases how to manage application identities within the Shinjiru private cloud environment. In this demo, we will walk through how SAML-based single sign-on is configured, how metadata is exchanged between the identity provider and the service provider, and how this enables centralized access control. Click the Create User button to begin adding a new user in the Resource Access Management console. Enter your preferred logon name and display name. Choose User Access Mode, Console Access, API Access using access key pairs, or leave blank. Click OK to confirm and create the new user with the specified settings. Copy the created Alibaba logon name and inform Shinjiru Cloud support to create the user using this logon name as the email address. Log in to the Shinjiru Cloud portal using the user account whose email address is the Alibaba logon name. Expand the service catalog to browse available cloud services and applications. Click Application Identity Management to manage application integration. Click Add Application to register a new application. Enter the name of the application to identify it within the Shinjiru Cloud environment. Click Re-upload to upload your preferred logo. It supports PNG format with a file size of no more than 2 megabytes. The recommended image size is 56 pixels x 56 pixels. Select SAML to securely share user authentication and authorization data between two platforms, enabling single sign-on, SSO, so users can log in once and access multiple applications. Click Next to continue with the application integration. Navigate to the overview of Remote Access Management console. Click Copy Login URL to obtain the URL needed for single sign-on configuration. Paste the application access URL copied from the Alibaba Cloud console. Navigate to SSO section in Remote Access Management console. Click User-based SSO to enable single sign-on for individual users. Select Enable to activate the single sign-on feature. Click OK to confirm the activation of single sign-on feature. Click Copy to copy the SAML metadata URL required for integration with Shinjiru Cloud. Switch to the SAML metadata URL and save as a service provider metadata file. Click Import SP application metadata to upload the saved service provider metadata file. Click Add to complete the import of the service provider metadata into Shinjiru Cloud. Click the application name to view its identity management setting. Click Copy to copy the identity provider SAML metadata URL. Switch to the SAML metadata URL and save as an identity provider metadata file. Click Upload metadata file to begin uploading the identity provider SAML metadata file. Click Upload to submit the saved metadata file for integration. Click OK to finalize the metadata upload process. At this point, you have completed the application integration steps. Click the application login URL to test single sign-on access of Alibaba Cloud. You should be able to access this web page and try login by clicking Logon with Enterprise account. A successful login indicates that the settings have been configured correctly. This demo highlights how Shinjiru Private Cloud simplifies application identity management by integrating with Alibaba Cloud's access controls. For your information, users within the same project cannot view applications configured by other users, as each configuration is fully isolated. This ensures that you can securely configure applications with single sign-on, SSO, to streamline cloud resource access and enhance security.